Taking advantage of this time while we're just sitting here since our truck is in the shop. Gonna get some little jobbies done in the RV. Oh my gosh, Greg, be careful. Or just move the ladder.
What's that?
Just move the ladder. Gregory.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Okay, today's the day. Here with the tech of all techs, Aaron from Mobile Tech.
The Mobile RV Tech.
The Mobile RV Tech, that's the word. So we're putting, at this point, we are putting 4 200-watt panels up, and we can easily expand to 4 more when we get to that point. And right now we'll also be doing 4 100 amp hour lithium RELiON batteries, but we'll show that later. So basically we can just about mirror the way these are laid out, the panels there and there. Then if I want to expand and do 4 more later, basically just on both sides, and these will be tiltable, so I can tilt them either direction. I just have to get my fat butt up here to tilt them when we want to do it. So that is our project, and Aaron's going to try to get this stuff down before he melts. And I better get off the roof before I cave it in. Did I get to anything else? Okay.
Okay, what do we got?
Gotta look cool here.
Okay.
Okay. We have battery monitor. It's a Bluetooth Victron. Everything, all the components will be Victron, I guess. So kind of go together. Here's a color control monitor will be mounted inside. This is the solar charger that if we do expand to more panels, 2 or 4 more, I'll upgrade that to the bigger one. Pressure wiring, switches. We have the big inverter, Victron down there. And we got the batteries. They're the 100 amp hour RELiON. So we'll be able to run basically the one main AC is going to put a soft start in. I think I don't know what it is. That's solar. Maybe that's the soft start in there. But anyway, so that way we can off the batteries. We can still run the main AC for a short period. But someday, if we ever get any more money, we can expand. He's got it figured out, laid out up there, and we're going to be putting everything down here in this compartment. So put the batteries down along this front area over here. I'll put them down, build a frame around it, and put, like I've got some of this carpet stuff, we'll frame it around that, and then we'll probably put all the components in here. I'll take that crank off, so that way everything will be inside. And this is a heated, compartment too, so we don't have to worry about all that stuff.
Yeah.
And then we're going to leave the stuff that this trailer was equipped for, generator package, which never got put in, but it's set up for it. So we're just going to leave all that. So if down the road we or somebody else wants to do it, it'll be there.
Cool. And where's that at?
Well, there's the components in the wall that are installed. Then you have
Right.
the
Oh, the
box
box.
there, and then it goes up over all the wiring goes up into that front storage area that's set up for generator. We'll take that aluminum shroud out for now, but we can always just put it back in if we were to ever sell this.
Right.
So
Cool.
with the way things are looking, we'll probably be buried in it.
Maybe. Big enough.
That is when we get our truck back.
Yes.
Having fun.
Ooh, it's looking real. We'll have Aaron give us a walkthrough here in a bit.
Yeah.
Might be tomorrow.
Yeah, just kind of say what he's doing.
Yeah, we can kind of do a initial one.
And this is how Greg puts in solar.
He told me, stay the hell out of my way until I call you when I need you.
Right?
I said, okay, so I fill up with water, ice water.
He's been taking good care of me.
Okay.
He tells me to hold this, pull that, hand him this. I'm there. You think there's room for him and me in there?
Yeah, no. Ooh, look how exciting that is. Oh.
Now guess what job you have?
Oh, yeah. How do you clean those puppies?
Well, Windex and a towel.
Can you use
But
Windex
you
on
have
it?
to get up there and
Yeah.
put that.
Okay, Greg, come and inspect this and see what you think.
Come inspect it?
Inspect it, yeah.
What do I need to inspect it?
He wants you to come check it out. Check out his handiwork.
I just want to see a little tear. Okay. So basically what we got is we got the 400 watts of solar panels on the roof. We've got them coming down into a 30 amp breaker, into the solar controller, and then out of the solar controller through another breaker and to our Lynx bus
That'd be
bar.
800 watts.
I'm sorry, 800
Right?
watts of
Okay.
panels, 400 watts of batteries.
There it is.
400 amps of batteries, yeah.
Okay.
You know, watts, amps,
Well,
but yeah, no, 800. 4 200 watt panels.
there we
Yeah.
go.
Awesome.
Your solar's done. The solar part of the build is done. I just
Awesome.
need some zip ties and make it pretty, clean it up. But when this is all built, this will be over the front of this like this.
Uh-huh.
So it'll make it, clean it all up.
Yeah.
And then the batteries we have to, I still have to hook up. And then of course the inverter, the big daddy.
Yeah. Tina said that'll be my best friend, huh?
Yeah.
Exciting.
So you're going to
Yeah.
come down and sleep with that?
Yeah. I may come down and exactly. Pet it, nice inverter. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yep. It's pretty. But yeah.
Very cool.
So got
Very
about.
exciting.
I'd say that's probably a third of the project is done.
Okay.
Maybe a little more. It just depends. And we'll label these so if you ever have to shut stuff off, and I'll put the two battery cutoff switches over here. One will cut off your batteries and one will cut off your inverter.
Cool.
So you can just, it's pretty much command central.
Yeah.
You've got your flip off your solar over here, and you'll have your two battery switches
Yep,
here.
that's why you wanted it. So it's simple to get to.
Yeah.
And it's all weathered inside here nice.
Yep. Yep.
Because it's got the ducted heat. And
Oh yeah, that'd be good.
so.
Yeah, and everything's solid.
Awesome.
So
Looks good.
doing
Exciting.
good. Yep. Let me get out of the way, and you can figure out where that one's going. So I got some investigative work to do still, but cool thing is I can run all our communication wires right over here and right into that chase and up on that wall where you
On the
want
wall?
the controls.
Cool.
So that's pretty simple. I'm going to take this whole wall down and get
Yeah.
it out of my way.
Like I said,
We'll just have to put this back in. We'll probably end up putting it over here.
that's what I'm saying. Can I plug it into that?
Put it right here, and we'll
Yeah.
just run the leads to here.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's just 12 volt DC. Yeah. We'll just move it. Yep, and this will all be gone. So
Yep.
you'll have
Put a rail there.
storage space, or whatever you decide
Yeah.
to do.
Well, we're going to do
Yeah, you're gonna have to put brackets on this. Look.
the crank. Yeah. I just thought, yeah, maybe
At
we'll
least
just get
it's plywood, which is
we'll
nice,
get
but-
some brackets, you know, for both sides.
Yeah.
When we go to Home Depot,
Yeah, we'll do
whenever
some
it is, to
brackets,
finish getting some stuff
Yeah.
to anchor the batteries and do all that stuff.
Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world. And tonight
Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. We just wanted to highlight our solar install, the original solar install we actually had done last April. First part of April. Yeah, I guess that's what it was.
Almost a year ago.
Almost, while we're in Mesa, Arizona, while the truck was getting worked on and all that other stuff.
Right.
But anyway, so hopefully you enjoyed that. We are currently in Quartzsite, Arizona. It's January, and we've been using the solar. It's been working great. We decided that we'd like to get 2 more 200-watt panels, so that way maybe we don't have to use the generator just for an hour or so a day, just to make sure it gets 100% on the batteries. And we can do that without upgrading anything. We didn't need to upgrade anything at this point, so it was a pretty inexpensive install to do that.
Basically, panels
So-
and labor, right?
Panels, and then label, and then the brackets, because we're going to get the same type of brackets, the tiltable, and we'll add them, you know, on the other side, but we can tilt them both ways. So
Yep.
anyway, Aaron's going to do that for us here in the next week or so.
Hey, and I just want to give a shout out to Aaron.
Yeah.
Aaron Jones, the Mobile RV Tech. He's awesome. Awesome to work with.
Yep.
He has great prices. He's just a stand-up guy.
Yep.
Good friend, and we appreciate, Aaron, everything that you've done for us.
Yep, he's been
And-
helping us fine-tune the solar system, because
Yep.
last year we really didn't have time to do that. We weren't even using them.
Yep.
And we knew we would this time of year, and we were been communicating to kind of hook up and meet up with him to do these minor tunes. Like I said, we were actually changing that one breaker out from a 30 amp to a 60 because we're adding the panels.
Yep.
And then from that, there's nothing really we need to do. So we'll tie in with the existing ones, so there's no new, you know, really new access holes we need to do
Right.
in the roof or anything. So
So we'll put Aaron's information
yep,
down below.
it's down below. We've also put it in the video.
But we highly recommend
Yep, I
him.
recommend him, and
Yep.
you know, if he's too busy, he'll probably recommend maybe Garrett. Starting out, he'll be another good guy to contact if you need some work done in your RV.
Yep.
So with that,
Remember, every day's a gift.
so don't count the days, but make the days count. We will see you soon.
we can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go